Very much. It is warm in here. So grab these notes. These notes right here. All right, and you have the beautiful algebra tile thingies that you guys have been cutting out. You have a whole bunch on your desk. They look like this. Big mess of stuff. Looks like confetti. All right, on your notes, you have those confettis drawn out for you. So let's label them. The small square, the small white square is going to be a 1. The small dark square will be a -1. The white rectangle is x, and the dark rectangle is -x. The large square will be x squared. We won't use him today. He'll be later. And the dark big square will be -x squared. All right, on your notes, you have something that looks like this. All right, what is this representing? What are each of these things?
3x.
These are 3x.
-1, -2.
And -2, which means this represents?
3x minus.
You guys are so good. 3x minus 2. Perfect.
You won't know who does that for you.
All right, your next one looks like this.
Huh? -4x.
-4x
-5 plus 5.
plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus someone help me count.
5.
5?
Yes.
Six.
Are you sure?
Yes, Miss, it's 6.
Yes.
Okay, 6. Now this straight vertical bar is the equal sign.
Equals -1.
Boom, done.
Oh my god.
I know, right? Let's use algebra tiles to represent the expressions. Where's my eraser? What did I do with that?
Is it in the bottom of the papers? No, the table.
Oh, it is. I didn't see it. Thank you for finding it for me.
You're welcome.
Okay, so you're modeling these 2 items. You have 30 seconds to use your paper algebra tiles to model those things.
Can you glue it when you're done?
Can I? Yes, and you can glue them when you're done. When we come back, we'll reveal the answers. Pause it.